If GIMP is showing error code 2, don't panic. In most cases, this just means Windows cannot find a file that GIMP is trying to launch, usually a plugin, script, filter, or another child process. The good news is that this is usually fixable, and in today's video, I'll walk you through the most effective solution step by step. If this tutorial helps, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more quick GIMP fixes and software tutorials. Let's get into it. First, it helps to understand what this error actually means. GIMP Error Code 2 usually translates to a standard system message. The system cannot find the file specified. That means GIMP is trying to open something in the background, but the file path is missing, broken, or blocked. This often happens after a plugin update, a settings issue, a moved folder, or a corrupted user profile. The first and most likely fix is to reset your GIMP user profile. This is important because broken configuration files can point GIMP toward locations that no longer exist. To do this, close GIMP completely. Make sure it is fully shut down and not running in the background. Next, open File Explorer. In the address bar, type %ape-data% and press Enter. This opens your roaming application data folder where GIMP stores your personal settings and preferences. Inside that folder, look for a folder named GIMP. Once you find it, right-click it and rename it to GIMP Old or GIMP Backup. Now reopen GIMP. When GIMP starts again, it will not find the old profile folder, so it will automatically create a fresh new one. This is like giving GIMP a clean slate. It resets preferences, tool options, dock positions, and other custom settings back to default, which can fix the error if the issue was caused by a bad configuration. If GIMP opens normally after that, the issue was probably in your old profile. You can then check whether your plugins and settings are working correctly before restoring anything from the backup folder. If the error is still there, move on to the next possible cause. Another common reason for error code 2 is antivirus software. Sometimes security tools block GIMP from launching plugin files or helper executables. If that happens, GIMP may act like the file is missing even though it is actually being blocked. To prevent that, open your antivirus or Windows security settings and add exceptions for GIMP exe and any plugin files that start with plugin dash, like plugin paja exe if your software allows wildcards. Whitelisting GIMP gives it permission to run its tools properly. This is especially useful if the error started after installing a new antivirus, changing security settings, or downloading GIMP from a new location. After adding the exception, restart your computer and test GIMP again. If you still get the error, the next step is a clean reinstall. This is the best option when files inside the program installation itself are damaged or missing. First, uninstall GIMP from your computer using the standard uninstall process in Windows. After uninstalling, manually check for leftover folders. Delete the GIMP installation folder if it still exists in C program files/GIMP2. Also delete the user configuration folder in %ape-data% GIMP if it is still there. This helps remove broken files that could keep causing the same error after reinstalling. Once those folders are removed, download a fresh copy of GIMP from the official website and reinstall it. After installation, launch GIMP and see if the problem is gone. A clean reinstall often fixes missing executables, damaged plugins, and broken file paths all at once. If you want to narrow it down further, also check whether the error happens only when opening a specific file or using a specific plugin. If it only happens with one plugin, that plugin may be outdated, missing, or incompatible with your current version of GIMP. In that case, remove or update the plugin and test again. So to quickly recap, error code 2 usually means GIMP cannot find a file it needs, and the most effective fixes are resetting the user profile, whitelisting GIMP in Antivirus, and performing a clean reinstall if necessary. In many cases, the profile reset alone solves the issue in just a minute or two. If this video helped you fix GIMP Error Code 2, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more troubleshooting guides like this. And if you're still stuck, drop a comment below with your exact setup and I'll try to help. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.